We can start with Twitter, who has now officially banned third-party clients. In the new developer agreement, I guess they've made their language more clear. There was skepticism as far as whether or not this was official or if it was some sort of a bug. Does Twitter really want to get rid of the third-party clients that people are using, love so much, the tweet decks, the tweet bots, and so forth? And so you had developers that they went on Twitter itself and said, hey, my stuff's not working, apologize, I'm out in the dark. I wish somebody would just tell me something. Well, here we have a Twitter-issued developer agreement, Jan 19, 2023, officially banning third-party clients for social network. Effective as of today, Twitter's new developer agreement for the use of the Twitter API directly bans the creation of third-party clients for the platform. You will not, or attempt to, and will not allow others to use or access the licensed materials to create or attempt to create a substitute or similar service or product to the Twitter applications. Now, listen, it's aggravating. I like these third-party clients, and I wish they were able to exist. However, it is the trend, and it is much more common across social media for this to be the case, where there's no way to plug in quite like this, because what ends up happening is obviously the ad model is not really operating correctly, and your data is a bit different, and well, I guess your experimental features and things people aren't interacting with when they're on these third-party apps. But then the other side of me is like, it's such a small group of people that are using these third-party apps, power users, that are probably accessing at different moments from the native app as well. They're probably using it in tandem. They're probably doing scheduled tweets and managing multiple accounts. So my only thing would be to say on that matter is hopefully there is some sort of official power version for people who are really enjoying these third-party clients. But that doesn't really help the third-party client developers themselves. They've been out there doing that for a while, and they're kind of screwed now, I guess, officially screwed. But it's, what's interesting, Will? I think when it comes to the world of getting screwed, it's better to be officially screwed than to not know why you're getting screwed.
Yeah.
Like, at least the information is out there now.
Yeah.